Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "On the Ascension night, I met Hazrat Moses alayhi salam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said he was slim-figured and had combed his hair. He looked like the people of the tribe Shanua. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I met Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. He was of middle stature and had red complexion and was fresh as though he had just come out of a hot bath. And I saw Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, and I amongst all of his descendants bear the closest resemblance to him. Then I brought two bowls, one containing milk and the other wine. I was asked to opt whichever I wish, so I took the milk and drank it. The angel whereupon said to me, You have opted the ancient natural habit. If you had taken the wine, your ummah would have gone astray. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 423.